Boom, the market's down 260 points. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, June 27th, 2016. It's good being back. Thank you, Meerkat, for standing in for me while I went down to Cajun country, Louisiana, to meet some family, to hang out, eat gumbo and other Cajun foods. Sincerely enjoy that. Every time I leave, and Meerkat will tell you this, it seems like 9 times out of 10 when I'm off on a vacation, the markets just fall out of bed. Today, the spider's down 1.7%. NASDAQ down nearly 2%. Small caps down a staggering 3.43%. The banks down more than 4%. Financials down nearly 3%. It's a bloodbath in the markets. U.S. dollar spiking higher by more than 1%. Crude oil off by nearly 2%. Gold higher, but silver lower. VIX, though, check this out. The VIX dropping. The fear has dropped, but we had a significant pop in the VIX on Friday, so that does not surprise me too much. Here we are looking at the markets as a whole. You're going to see a new line. See this big red line? This big red line, you can put this on your chart, but it goes way back here to the day. This is May 21st, 2015. So this was over a year ago is where this high was. Now the reason that's so important is I want to show you this. If you go to Free Online Trading Education, you click on More and then you click on Calls. Click on Calls. You're going to see this pop up. This is a video I did August 23rd, 15, and you can find this at YouTube. So it's at YouTube. It's called Warning Market Top. I went out on a limb, went way out on a limb, and called a market top. In this video, you will see that I call May 21st the market top. I did the video here in August when we broke down, said there we set our top. Do not expect that high to be reached any time soon. And sure enough, if we go back to today, you'll notice that we got close a few weeks ago, but we have never got to that high again. When we did that high in May, we got close, further away, got close again, and then we're crashing. I'm telling you guys, we will not see that high in a long time. It will only be down from these highs. And any people that got stuck long here, I feel very sorry for you. Definitely be putting stop losses in place. I do expect to see a bounce here soon. That bounce will give me a chance to start loading up short. I was away on this drop. I did not go short this market, not yet. After a big drop in a weekend, did not want to be short. Today, we did drop lower, below all major moving averages. Now we're below even the 200-day moving average. On big volume, I expect this to slip and then a little pop, and once we get that pop, I'm going to look for an entry to go short again. If you look here at the Dow, we hit our head at resistance and then crash and burn. We're just crashing and burning. And by the way, I put on Friday, I wasn't around this computer to do it, but definitely on the pre-exit information and the big drop, that is definitely a sell city. I need to add it here to the NASDAQ too. Sell city on this one. Not on this candlestick. This one we got actually above, man, and then it just crashed and burned. Let's see here. Small caps went up, 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 up. And then we crash right here. So that would be for that candlestick going down. And I'm going to keep that. Banks, look at this. Just down, down, down. And the reason I'm 2 days late on this because I was not around Friday to do it, or I would have done this on Friday. You're seeing me do it real time. Financials, remember we had this buy down here. It was great, but I would have said definite sell here. Not on this one. It's not on this one. I can't call it on this one. It would have been on the drop, so I moved it over for the drop. US dollar is on fire. So here we get what's called a death hook, and boom! Big time long the dollar. Expect this dude to only go higher. That's going to be, phew, boy, on this candlestick, I would have definitely called it 2 days ago on that big run. Boom. That'd been Friday. Crude oil. Don't fret on crude oil. I'm going to call this a buy right now. I'm going to say buy again because we went down, 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 broke support, but we came right back up, gang. So I think that we have a buy opportunity on crude oil to the upside. I need to add another line. That line will go from here to there, but I want to extend it out right there. So I expect to see a little bounce. It might be a short-lived bounce in a coil and then either pop up or pop down. But anyway, look for that to pop up. Gold. Man, on this big pop, look at this dude. So I would say on this candlestick, not this one, I would say buy. And so said sell, 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 looking for a pop. I would have never dreamed it would be such a big pop here, but we're at resistance levels. Here, again, I got to add a buy on that one. But wait for a little pullback and a pop. Gold and silver, expect that just to go higher. VIX has just been on a fire. I said down, 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 down. We get near support, and then boom. So that one would have been on that day. On this one, boom, and upside. So we still have a lot of upside opportunity for VIX. I'm not thinking that the markets are going to fall out of bed anytime real soon. I think that we're going to pop again. But if we start to see 400, 500 point down days, that's a different ball game. I think that the market's trying to digest what's happening out there at this moment. And I think that we'll see some big moves. We're going to see something, VIX up in the 50s. And right now we're only at 23. It's really not that bad. So that's why I'm thinking, hey, I'm not freaking out about this market at this moment. And that's why I'm not quickly adding to my longs or my shorts. And let me share with you one other bit of information I think you're going to find very interesting. If I go to the monthly chart on the spider, and the month will be wrapping up. Let me see here. On Thursday. So on Thursday, the month's over. But look at this. We drop, hit a major area of support. I really think this support area is going to hold, and I think that we'll probably bounce back a little higher here. But definitely looks like a little death hook. We broke this, and then popped through, and then boom. It could definitely be a death hook here. So it has a lot of momentum to break it down at this moment. But we're at major support on the monthly. It wouldn't surprise me to see this rally back up. So I could see some more bullish activity happening fairly soon here, guys. And that's where we're at. So whatever you do, do not hit like. Do not share this with any of your friends because obviously nobody will find value in it. Hope all's well. Take care.